Hey guys, Matt over at Dent, and we are today at our Duluth location, and we've got something really special. We're hosting a Tesla car club meet. We've got Matt here. He's one of the really active members. He's actually who put this together. It's basically just an education day. If you're a Tesla owner, you heard about this and you came out and you basically are learning about dent repair, ceramic coating, about what products to use for a hand wash. And Matt, this is a great idea. This is the second one you've done of these, where you're doing a shop tour. What inspired this? What's the reason for that?
Really just trying to get past misconceptions of the treatments of anything from ceramic coatings, obviously paint protection film. What is the value there, right? And I think that there's an opportunity to educate owners of why they're spending this kind of money, why they're investing in their car, and be able to protect their car. So I think it's just for us, it's an opportunity to get together, but it's an educational point. Again, I think it's very beneficial, and we're not trying to push one selection as the right path. This gives you a chance to understand, what's the best, for you, what's the best thing for your car and how to treat it and how to protect it. So
yeah, and for a shop, it's really important. An educated customer is a good customer. You're gonna know more about the product, and you're gonna be able to tell your friends about what we do. Even if we're not the right fit for you, that's not a problem at all. What we want is educated customers who know what they want, and then if we're a good fit, we'd love to come alongside. Yeah. The value of these meetups is really great, and you happen to be with the Tesla owners, but you've also worked with the German car clubs. These meetups are great because you get like-minded individuals who can talk the same talk, who have the same problems, who have the same solutions, who can come up with solutions together. It's a really cool event. It was great that you put this together, and we were happy to host it. It was glad to hear.
I honestly, I really appreciate it. I mean, you guys have been fantastic. This is what I always had a vision for, what we could be able to do this from an Atlanta car community standpoint too. It's really a tight-knit community. So it's an opportunity for us to all just sort of get together for just, if anything else, get together and sort of learn something new. So
absolutely. Well, thank you for coming out. Hopefully we'll do some more car clubs. If you're even not in our market, if you know someone local car club, get involved. It's super important. You're going to learn a lot of great resources, a lot of free resources, and then when you are ready to make a decision on something added to your car, you're going to have some opportunities and some options that you've been vetted well. So if you have any questions at all, hit us up. But thanks so much for coming out.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Awesome.